Hey friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we are going to be making a flying machine. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it. So in the kit that you picked up at the library, you will find 3 paper cups, 3 rubber bands, 1 small sheet of cardstock, and 1 small streamer. You'll also need some additional items: a pencil, coloring materials, scissors, glue, and tape. And you may want something to protect your workspace. All right, let's clear off and get started. Okay, so the first thing we will do is take a paper cup. Now, this is going to be our flying machine. You can decorate it any way you would like. This part of the cup has a wax coating on it, so it won't take marker very well. That's why I gave you the cardstock. So if you'd like, go ahead and put your cup on it. Go ahead and trace the bottom of your cup. And now, when you cut it out, just make sure to cut on the inside of this circle so that it will fit on the inside of your bottom of your cup, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and cut on the inside of that circle. So when I finish cutting, you'll see that I have the outline still on my paper. All right, friends, so this will fit, hopefully, on your cup, and you can go ahead and glue it on. All right, so now go ahead and decide on a design. Take your coloring materials and color away. All right, friends, so I made mine into a rocket in the night sky. And the next thing that we're gonna do is go ahead and take a second cup. We're gonna make one little cut on the cup, and I am also using the seam of the cup as a guide. All right, not too far. And then if you want, you can use the picture as a guide, and we're going to go ahead and cut as far up, but the distance of the width of the picture. Okay, so just about like that. And now you can take your pencil or the paper, and on the other side of the cup, you're gonna do the same type of cutting. So right about here. All right, and again, right across. Now this is where you will load your rubber bands. You can try 1 rubber band and see how high your flying machine will go. And how you load the rubber bands, you put one on, just like that, twist it, and put it on the other side. All right, let's start out with 1 rubber band. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. So you can go ahead and on the inside of here, put some flames. So just smooth it out, fold it in half, and you can make some snips on the bottom to kind of make it look like flames. And then cut it in half, and then fold again, and you can cut in half again. This way you're gonna have 4 streamers that you can tape to the inside of your cup. Now it might be a little tricky, but just go ahead and try the best you can. There's some flames, right? And if you have a design there, just make sure they're ending up in the spot that you want them to. All right, there are my flames. Now, go ahead and put your flying machine, however you made it, on top of that cup. So this is your flying machine, this is your fuel, and this, your third cup, is your launching pad. So go ahead and push down. I like to hold on to the rim of the cup while I am getting ready to blast off. Blast off! If you try and you put another rubber band, load it up with some more fuel, like that. Twist, remember to twist, and put the next one on. Now let's see how far it will go. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, blast off! Now for 3 rubber bands. So let's see how high we can get this rocket to go. I'm gonna press down. Oh, that's hard. Okay, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Oh my gosh, it hit the ceiling.
So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your flying machine with me. Please remember to clean up your workspace, and if you're doing our winter reading challenge, please put this code in your Beanstack account for some extra points. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.